Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Anshul Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in the last session, as you all know, that we were on exercise 10.2 in which we were doing the multiplication and the division of weight by conversion. Okay, so let's begin with the let's continue with the exercise 10.2. So first of all, I'll just write down the topic here, that is chapter 10, measurement of weight, exercise 10.2. Okay, so in the last session we had done question number 1, that is multiply. So today I am going to begin with the question number 2, that is divide. So the question number 2 is divide. So let's divide it. So we need to divide, the A part is divide 20 kg 500 gram by 5. So we need to divide A1 20 kg 500 gram by 5. Okay, so let's divide 20 kg 500 gram by 5. So, okay, so as in the multiplication before dividing, what we need to do is we have converted the given measurements, okay, into the smaller units, and then we have done the multiplication. So similarly in this chapter as well, first of all we are going to convert the given measurements and then we are going to do the division. So first of all we will convert it. So let's convert 20 kg 500 gram. Okay, so 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 20 kg, for converting 20 kg into gram, we need to multiply 20 with 1000. So 20 multiplied by 1000 plus this will become gram, and 500 is already gram, that is 500 gram. So 20 multiplied by 1000, that will be 20,000 gram plus 500 gram. So this is 20,000. So if now we will add it, so we will get 20,500 gram. So after converting 20 kg 500 gram, we got 20,500 gram. Now we got the unit here. Now we can easily divide it. So let's divide 20,500 gram with 5. So now 20,000 divide 20,500 gram by 5. Divide 20,500 gram by 5. So 5 fours are 20. 20 minus 20, 0. Bring down the next 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Bring down the next 0. 5 zeros are 0. Next, again 0. 5 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0, nothing is left. So the answer is 4100 gram. So the answer is 4100 gram. 4100 gram. The answer is 4100 gram. Because here we have converted into gram, so this is 4100 gram. But in the question it is kilogram and gram, or you can write it in kilogram and the gram as well, like this 41. Okay, so last three digits, when it is given in gram, so last three digits we can take it as gram, and the rest of the digits that are left, that will be kg. So 4100 gram is equal to, or you can say 4 kg, 100 gram. You can say it as 4 kg 100 gram. Okay. So this is the solution of this A part of question number 2 of exercise 10.2. Okay. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the question number, to the B part of question number 2. So let's begin with the B part of question number 2. The B part of question number 2 is, we have to divide 10 kg 700 gram by 4. We have to divide 10 kg 700 gram by 4. Okay, so 10 kg 700 gram by 4. So let's divide it. So again, first of all, we need to convert it. So from here, I am starting the solution. Okay. So 10 kg 700 gram. So first of all, let's convert. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 10 kg, for converting 10 kg into gram, will multiply it with 1000. So it will be converted into grams, plus 700 is already gram, plus 700 grams. So 10 into 1000 is equal to, so when we multiply this 10 kg with 1000, it will convert it into gram, and this is already gram, so no need to convert it. So 10 multiplied by 1000, that is 10,000 gram plus 700 gram. So 10,000 plus 700, that is 10,700 gram. So this is 10,700 gram. So after converting, we got 10,700 gram. Now you can easily divide 10,700 gram by 4. So now we need to divide it. So I am doing it here, but you will do it downward. आप इसको नीचे नीचे ही करिए. Okay, so you will do it downward, but I am doing it on the other side. So let's divide 10,700 gram by 4. Okay. So 4 twos are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Bring down 7. Sorry, 4 twos are 8. Okay. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now bring down 7. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. This is 27. So 4 5s are, sorry, 4 6s are 24. So 27 minus 24. 7 minus 4, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. Bring down the next one, that is 0. Okay, so 30 divided by 4. 4 7s are 28. 30 minus 28. This will be 10. This will be 2. 10 minus 8, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So after subtracting, we got 30 minus 28 is 2. Now bring down the next one, that is 0. 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20, nothing is left. Okay, so after dividing 10,700 gram with 4, we got 2,675 gram. So the answer is 2,675 gram, you can say, or okay, you can convert kg into kg and gram. So last 3 digits will be gram and the rest one will be the kg. 675 will be the grams, or you can say 2 kg 675 grams. This is 2 kg 675 gram. Okay, so this is the solution of the B part of question number 2 of exercise 10.2. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, similarly the C and the D part. In the C part we have to divide 41 kg 80 gram by 2, and in the D part we need to divide 48 kg 220 gram by 7. So in those two parts as well, first of all you are going to do the conversion and then we have to divide. Okay, so that's why the question of the C and the D part of question number 2 you are going to do by yourself. Okay, so this is your homework, that you have to do the C and the D part by yourself. Let's begin with the third sum, okay, of exercise 10.2. Let's begin with sum number 3. Question number sum number 3. Okay, so the sum number 3 is, so now we are beginning with the so now I'm starting with the word problems. So question number 3 is, the weight of one bag of rice is 28 kg 500 grams. Find the weight of 3 bags of rice. So they have given the weight of one bag of rice, that is 28 kg 500 gram, and we need to find the weight of 3 bags. So obviously the weight of 3 bags of rice will be more than the weight of one bag. So for finding the weight of one is given and we need to find the weight of more. So what you will do, we will do the multiplication. So but as you can see in the question, it is given the weight of one bag is 28 kg 500 grams. 28 kg 500 grams. Okay, so 28 kg 500 grams they are where. So kg and gram is given. So for doing the multiplication, so first of all we need to do the conversion. Okay, so let's begin with sum number 3. So weight of one bag of rice, weight of one bag of rice. So weight of one bag of rice is, the weight of one bag of rice is 28 kg 500 gram, that is 28 kg 500 gram. We need to find the weight of 3. Okay, so weight of 3 bags of rice. We need to find the weight of 3 bags of rice. So for that we need to multiply. We will multiply 28 kg 500 gram with 3. Okay, so for finding the weight of 3 bags of rice, we need to multiply the weight of one bag, that is 28 kg 500 gram with 3. Okay, now this is kg, this is gram. Okay, and we need to do the multiplication. So we can't multiply two different units. Both are the units of measurement though, one is the kg, another is gram. So either you can convert it kg into gram, or you can convert gram into kg. So but it is more easier to convert kg into gram. So we will convert 28 kg into gram, and then we add the rest of the gram, that is 500 gram, and then we can easily we can easily multiply it with 3 for finding the weight of 3 bags of rice. So multiply 28 kg 500 gram. Okay, so first of all let's convert. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. तो 28 kg को ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए we will multiply 28 with 1000, it will be gram, plus 500 gram. 28 multiplied by 1000, that is 28,000 gram, plus 500 gram. Now both are gram. Okay, अब ये दोनों के दोनों क्या हो गए, ग्राम. Now we can easily add. So 28,000 plus 500, that will be 28,500 gram. This is 28,500 gram. Okay. Now we will multiply, after conversion we will multiply 28,500 gram with 3 for finding the weight of 3 bags of rice. Okay. So 28,500 gram we have got after converting 28 kg 500 gram in. Okay. So now let's multiply it with 3. So 28 kg 500 gram multiply by 3. Okay. So this, okay, and whatever the answer you will get after this, that will be the weight of 3 bags of rice. Okay. So I am doing it here, but you will do it downward. आप इसके नीचे ही करेंगे because I am having a space problem here. So multiply 28,500 with 3. Okay. 3 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. 3 fives are 15. 8 threes are 24 plus 1. 25. 2. 3 twos are 6 plus 2. 8. So this is the weight of 3 bags of rice. Okay. That is 85,500. Okay. Therefore, this is gram. Therefore, weight of 3 bags of rice, therefore weight of 3 bags of rice is 85,500 gram, or, okay, so this is what we have written. So weight of 3 bags of rice is 85,500 gram, or you can write it in the kilogram or the grams as well. So it's better because the question is given in kg and gram, so it's better that we should write it both grams and kilograms. Okay, therefore weight of 3 bags of rice is 85,500 gram, or last 3 digits will be gram and the rest one will be kg. So last 3 digits 500, so we can write therefore weight of 3 bags of rice is 85 kg, or and sorry, the 85,500 gram, or 85 kg 500 grams. Okay, so let's write it, or 85 kg 500 gram. Okay, because the question is given in kg and gram, so it's better that you should give the answer after doing the conversion के बाद reconvert भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, so this is the solution of the question number 3 of exercise 10.2. Okay, so rest of the questions that are also the word problems. So in the next session I'll continue with the next word problems. So for today I'm just ending with the question number 3, or you can try the next few questions by yourself. Okay, so all the questions are related to the division and the multiplication of weight only. Okay, so this is from my today's session class. So with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.